Hey guys, it's AMBERSHARNIECE. Welcome back to my channel, and let's get started with this orange fall glitter makeup. So I'm going to be using my Carity palette, and I'm going to go in with the orange color on the Carity palette, and I am going to pack that shadow onto my eye space here. Now I am going above the crease, and I am going to pack this color on because I want it to be very, very vibrant, and I don't want to lose the actual pigment when I get ready to blend in the other colors. Next, I'm taking this yellow color, and I am going to take this on top of the orange, and I am going to first put that in and blend it out. That way we don't have that really harsh orange line there between the yellow and the orange. On my last video, I did notice that the eyeshadow was not as blended as it possibly could be. So that's what I'm working on right now, my blending techniques. And I'm just going to go back in with that orange color just to make sure that color is very, very vibrant. Next, I'm going in what I thought was another orange color, but apparently it was red and it kind of mixed together and it looks kind of like a hot pink. Oh well, it works out still. I'm just going to pack that on to the crease of my eye space, and then I'm going to blend that out as well. And I'm just blending that color into the orange with using some of that orange eyeshadow to help with it. Moving along, I am using the brown from the eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure why I didn't show it, but I'm using that directly on top of the other color. And I should have taken this as well as the other pinkish orangish color up a little bit more so that you can see it more when I cut the crease. But it's cool. It still looks good. Still looks nice. And I'm just going to blend that out first with a blending brush. And then I'm going to go back on top of that with the orange and pink color and blend it out some more as well. As you guys know, I'm not much of an eyeshadow person, so I am learning while you guys are learning. So I hope you guys are learning from my mistakes and learning new things at the same time. All right, so I am now cutting my crease, which is something that is either a hit or miss for me. I think this one was definitely a miss, but we still continue to do it anyway. So I'm just taking my time and cutting my crease. I'll put all the products I use down in the description box below, so that way you guys will know exactly what I'm using. And I'm also going to show you really quickly, I'm going to slow up exactly how I tried to cut my crease. Basically, I put the concealer on my lid space. I then looked up, which caused the concealer to dot itself here, right here. It dotted itself up there. And that is where I'm going to draw my line to cut my crease. So that's kind of how I've been doing it. I just need to perfect it a little bit more so that the cut crease can be more sharp. And a big part of that is the type of brush that you're using. And I'm definitely using the incorrect brush for this process. So it looks like I need to go eyeshadow brush shopping, guys. What are some good brushes? Let me know. All right, now I'm taking that brown again, and I'm taking that on the outer corner of the lid space here. So I'm going to put that on there, and then we're going to blend that inward just a little bit. And of course, my camera would not be my camera if it did not run out of memory. So I'm just showing you what colors I actually use on my lid space here. Of course, I used the brown on the outer portion. I went back with that red orange color and I put that in the middle. And then I put the orange right there in the beginning. I did leave some space open, so there's nothing there. But those are the colors I use for that 2/3 of my eye. All right, so now I'm showing you the brown color, and I'm going to use the black color as well, mix it in a little bit just to define the line of my cut crease. Like I said, if I had better brushes, these things will come out much better. So I'm on the market for brushes. Like I said, give me some options down below so that I can get better with this eyeshadow game. We're gonna come through. I bet by the end of this year, the eyeshadow game is gonna be on fleek, you guys, okay? Trust me on this. All right, so now we're getting into the glitter. This is the glitter that I purchased from my local beauty supply store. That's an orange. This color is like an orange, green, gold, sparkly situation. And I'm using my NYX glitter primer. And I'm just going to put the base down first. I did mix those glitters up. And then you'll see me put the glitters on second. And I'm just packing that glitter on as much as I possibly can, pretty much all over that lid space. And we're gonna go a little bit further than what I'm actually here now, but you'll see that in just a moment. Now I'm using that black color to give me some depth. I am going to blend all this out. Now, the rest of the video you guys won't be able to see because apparently I ran out of space again and I had to go back and delete, blah, 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 blah. Anywho, so I'm just blending the black color that I put on the outer corner of my lids out. I did go underneath my waterline with the black eyeshadow as well as all the colors that I use on my top lid space. I used the orange, the pinkish looking orange, and some of the yellow down under my lower lash line. I put my lashes on, which are the same lashes I used in my last video. I'll put that information down below. And this is what I got. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel and watching this video. You guys have a good one.